हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो आज हम सीखेंगे किसी भी स्टॉक्स का कैसे एनालिसिस कर सकते हैं। तो आप कभी भी किसी स्टॉक का डेटा या उसके रिजल्ट्स या उसके पीयर कंपनीज़ की रिजल्ट्स या पीयर कंपनीज़ की एनालिसिस देखना चाहो तो दिस इज़ द बेस्ट टूल। screener.in पर जाएं और इनफैक्ट क्रिएट योर अकाउंट। इट्स अ फ्री अकाउंट। और इस सर्च बॉक्स पर आप किसी भी कंपनी को सर्च कर सकते हैं। लाइक आई डू फॉर अडानी पावर। तो यहाँ पर आप बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन अडानी पावर की देख सकते हो। स्टॉक अभी 552 पर ट्रेड कर रहा है। टुडेज डेट इज़ 29 मई 2:27 PM। अगर आप अडानी की साइट पर जाना चाहते हो तो adani.com यू कैन गो फ्रॉम हेयर। BSE पर लिस्टेड है, NSE पर लिस्टेड है। दिस इज़ द कोड, दिस इज़ द स्टॉक इंस्ट्रूमेंट कोड फॉर अडानी पावर। मार्केट कैपिटल देखें तो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट अबव 2 लाख करोड़। करंट प्राइस इज़ 552। हाई लो की बात करें तो 897 was its highest, 431 was the lowest where stock was trading. P ratio is 16.6, book value 146, dividend yield नहीं मिल कुछ 0% है। ROC is 22.5%, face value 10. Okay, so कंपनी की बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन अगर दें तो ये बेसिकली इट्स अ part of Adani Group, as everyone is aware, and it's the largest private thermal power producer in India. Let's scroll and see the price for the last 1 year. As we said, it was around 874. So आप बेसिकली इस ग्राफ में जाकर डिफरेंट ईयर्स का डेटा देख सकते हो। लाइक वन मंथ, 6 months, 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years एंड मैक्सिमम। सो अगर लास्ट 1 साल की बात करें तो स्टॉक इज डाउन फ्रॉम इट्स हाई। पी रेशियो की बात करें तो लास्ट 5 years का पी आप देख सकते हो, 3 years का पी देख सकते हो, 1 year का पी देख सकते हो, and moreover you can see all the data like sales and margin, EBITDA, price to book, market capital, sales. You can put alerts also, but उसके लिए आपको अकाउंट क्रिएट करके लॉग इन करके you need to do that. So कुछ प्रोज और कॉन्स की बात कर लेते हैं। तो कंपनी हैज़ डिलीवर्ड गुड प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ ऑफ 65% के ओवर लास्ट 5 year, which is very good, really very good. And RO is company has a good return on equity for last 3 years. It's almost 40%. That's good. Cons, again, though the company is reporting repeated profit, it is not paying out any dividend, which is not good for in investor purpose. अगर कोई भी कंपनी में अगर आप स्टॉक लेते हो, या वी ऑलवेज एक्सपेक्ट दैट कंपनी प्रोवाइड्स गिव्स अ डिविडेंड quarterly or in a 6 month or yearly. But Adani Power, they are not paying out any dividend even though they are having a good profit. सो आप इवन कंपेयर कर सकते हो कि पावर जनरेशन सेक्टर में आप किस कंपनी को ऑप्ट करना चाहते हो। लाइक देर आर लीडर्स फ्रॉम पावर सेक्टर, NTPC is having a biggest market capital in power generation and supply sector. Adani lies at the third, even though we have one more company from Adani Group, Adani Green, which is on fourth. Tata Power, Adani Energy Solution, again one more company from Adani Group, NTPC Green. So these are the basically peer competitors of power generation, and you can compare data from this table. You can see the market capital, dividend yield based companies कौन सी है. अगर आप dividend में जाना चाहते हो तो NTPC and Power Grid Corporation is a good option. They do pay a dividend, and this is about the peer comparison. If you go down, now you can basically compare the quarterly result of the company. So if we compare last 2 quarters, so company has increased the sale from 13,671 to 14,237, uh, and expenses are also mm, going up. Operating profit is uh, has decreased from 5,000 to 4,813. There are several other income, interest payout. So we'll just go to the net profit, which is around 2,600 crores, uh, which is not bad. Uh, okay, the next would be profit and loss. So again we said this is I think, yeah, this is year to year. So if you compare from March 2024 to March 2025, we can basically see net profit. It has decreased actually from 20,829 to 12,750, and as I said, dividend payout is 0%. So it's a very beautiful tool, Screener dot in. I really like it. uh, yeah, thanks to one of my friend Nikhil. He actually suggested me this, and yeah, I'm suggesting you to guys. Balance sheet की बात करें तो they really do, they do have a good balance sheet. You can compare each year's figure, and based upon your analysis you can go ahead and buy or sell that particular stock. Cash flow की बात करें तो net cash flow is still in negative, and shareholder patterns की बात करें तो FIIs, promoters, okay, yeah, they have around 75% of stakes. FI is 12.36, and then public has consistent, I think they are being consistent around 11%. So you can go through the recent events from the company, all the announcement and the results. Yeah, so this is how you can basically compare uh, the results from the last years, or if you want to compare peer companies. This is really beautiful tool. Even this tool has one of the best feature. Let me So you can basically create a stock screen. This is a free feature, and they do have some premium features. But if you are looking for some advanced news, or you want to do some advanced filtering and putting alerts, so for that you need premium account. But I'll just show you how to create a stock screen. Let me log in here. So you can basically put your watch list view, and put stocks. So based upon that stock, those stocks, screener will provide all the latest updates, news and all. Okay, so you can see TCS, Infosys, what are their announcements. This is beautiful. Okay, I was talking about the tool create a stock. Okay, so yeah, this is really beautiful. So how this is helpful, तो अगर आपको कुछ कंपनीज सर्च करके, अपनी क्वेरी बेस्ड सर्च करके list out करनी है तो it's very beautiful. Suppose I want companies whose market capitalization is uh, greater than 5,000 crores. Okay, so every value is in crores, so do remember that. And market capitalization is less than 10,000 crores. So if I run this query, so yeah, these are the stocks which it provides me, almost 22 26 records. uh, Next, if I want to sort out within these list, you can put like let me edit columns, cancel. I can save this query if you want, and let me save this query. uh, Query 1, stocks in mid of 5k to 10k. Okay, let's update this query. Market capitalization is this, so you can check the companies which dividend yield is greater than 2%. So basically dividend value you need to put in percentage, so it will give you the suggestion dividend yield excluding special dividend. And let's run this query. So yeah, so I have just filtered out 15 results out of 226. So this is where you can again filter out which company you want to invest. So if we see, these are the 15 companies where we get the dividend. Then you can, okay, if you want, like, which is the best company which provides dividends. So this is Shrem Invest. You can go through the records for this company, pros, cons, again, peer competitors, quarterly results. So yeah, let me know your views. If you like this tool, or do you need more suggestions on how to know about this stock respective data, how to sort out or how to get best stocks from the any industry you want. So yeah, do explore this tool and let me know your feedbacks in this video. Thank you. See you soon.